Universe's most powerful monsters. But what happens when two of them collide? Today, watch a black hole merger. A black hole forms when a giant star collapses, creating a point where gravity becomes unstoppable. The event horizon is the boundary. Cross it, and nothing escapes. Black holes often form in pairs or inside colliding galaxies. Over millions of years, gravity pulls them closer until they begin orbiting in a slow, tightening spiral. As they get closer, they spin faster, warping space and time. Their orbit shrinks, and gravitational waves ripple across the universe. When their event horizons touch, the two black holes instantly become one, releasing more energy than all stars combined. Earth detected one of these collisions in 2015. The newborn black hole vibrates like a ringing bell, sending out the last gravitational waves, then settles into a smooth, stable form. Mergers create bigger black holes, even the giants at the centers of galaxies, millions of times heavier than the Sun. These collisions happen billions of light years away. Their waves reach Earth, but they're so faint we can only detect them with laser instruments. Black hole collisions reshape the universe silently. If you want more cosmic visuals like this, hit like and subscribe, and tell me what we should explore next.